So here the topic is Bernoulli rule. That is today topic is Bernoulli's rule. The Bernoulli rule is nothing but extension of integral by parts. Extension of integral by partition. Okay, so when we apply that integral by parts, integral by parts, that is integral of x into some cos 2x like form. That means the degree of x, the power of x is equal to x equal to 1. If the power of x, if the degree of x equal to 1, then we apply the integration by parts formula. By parts. Suppose if degree of x is greater than 1, then we apply Bernoulli rule. So here we write that integration of u dv, u comma dv, two functions are in the form of isolate. So already we are explaining that what is an isolate. Okay, first we check for the problem, first check for isolate, okay, and next one is after isolate we do the differentiate, we find u dash, u double dash, u triple dash, u4 dash and so on. This is nothing but a differentiation of x. Differentiation of u with respect to x. And third one is we find that v1, v2, v3, v4 and so on. This is nothing but integration of v. Okay, and we do that. The Bernoulli rule is what is the Bernoulli rule? The Bernoulli rule is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus u4 dash v4 and so on. So that is nothing but first you can write the u v up to this u minus uv minus u dash and v1, up to this is the integral by parts partition. If there is extension, it is nothing but a Bernoulli rule. So that is just we can find this all values u dash, u double dash, u triple dash and so on. And similarly v1, v2, v3 and v4, substitute the values in this one. That is, if I am taking it to substitute equation 1 into what are the equation 1? The equation 1 is this is an equation 1. This is an equation 1. Equation 1 can be substituted in equation 2. So then only we get the values. Our shortcut method is, what is a shortcut method? Shortcut. So that integration of u dv, so first you writing as a term u. So we can written as a u dash, u double dash, u triple dash, u4 dash and so on. And next v. So it's given that v is nothing but integration of dv. Okay, this is main one. And we can find the v1, v2, v3, v4. And the signs are alternative. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. And we do the multiplication. Multiply. Finally we get that integration of u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus u4 dash v4. Okay, so we taking one simple problem, that is x cubed into 7 power x. The first problem, the problem is integration of x cubed into e power 7x into dx. So for that, first compare integration of u dv, that is nothing but x cubed into e power 7x into dx. So u, the function u equal to x cube, and dv, the function dv equal to e power 7x. The x cubed is nothing but algebraic, and e power 7x is nothing but exponential. Check for highlight. First, check for highlight. That is what is the first priority? First priority goes to that algebraic, and second priority goes to that exponential. So therefore, here that first priority is algebraic and second priority goes to the exponential. So it is in the first one, the first function is algebraic, that is x cube, and second function is exponential, that is e power 7x. Okay, it is in the form of highlight. It is in the form of highlight. So we do that. U is equal to x cube and dv is equal to e power 7x into dx. So we do that up to third derivative we can find the differentiate. U dash nothing but a du by dx, nothing but a 3x square, and u double dash nothing but second derivative, that is d square u by dx square, nothing but a 6x, and u triple dash, this is nothing but a d cubed y by dx cube, this is nothing but 6 up to, that is we apply the formula. So d by dx of x power n, that is nothing but n into x to the power of n minus 1. We apply this formula, and up to constant we can find the value. And next v equal to integration of dv, Therefore v1 equal, that is v equal to integration of e power 7x into dx. So e power 7x, e power x is nothing but e power x, and before x we have 7 is there by 7, and v1 equal to integration of e power 7x by 7 into dx, and this is, that is the integration of v into dx. This is nothing but e power 7x by 49. This is v1, and v2 equal to integral of v1 into dx. This is nothing but 1 by 49 into e power 7x into dx. So this is 1 by 49 into e power 7x by 7. So we get that the value so therefore the value is equal to 343. The value is equal to 343 into e power 7x, and v3, so just we have one value, that is 1 by 343 into e power 7x into dx. So we get that 1 by 343 into e power 7x by 7. So e power 7x by 21 2 21 okay. So that is v3 is equal to e power 7x by 240. So after so these values can be taken as 1, all values will be taken as 1, and we written as Bernoulli formula, that is the Bernoulli rule, that is Bernoulli rule. So that is, what is the Bernoulli rule? Integration of u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3. Therefore u, what is the u here? That is x cube. So u equal to x cube, and v equal to, what is the v? dv equal to e power 7x. This is nothing but e power 7x by 7. dv equal to e power 7x by 7. Therefore u dash 3x square into e power 7x by 49, 6x into e power 7x by 343 minus 6 into e power 7x by, what is the value of the value? The value is equal to 2401. The value is equal to 2401. This is 2401. Okay. So after this problem is completed, here what is a shortcut? Shortcut is, this is u written as a 3x square, 6x, 6, and we written as 7x by 49, 7x by 343, 7x by 2401, and this is a plus, minus, plus, minus, and we multiplied both, multiply. So therefore we get that integral of u dv equal to x cubed into e power minus 7x minus 3x square into e power 7x by 49 plus 6x into e power 7x by 343 minus 6 into e power 7x by 2401. So this is a shortcut.